Good morning, modern steaders. Do you see the sky? It's not raining out yet, but it's gonna. Surprise, surprise. Let's go check and see how the chicks are doing out in the old apple orchard. We better shut off that fence. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. Come on, girls. They've been out here just over a day now, and they're cleaning it up pretty good. It's pretty dreary out, so I don't know how good the camera's gonna pick it up, but they've got a lot of work already done. I'd say they're a good quarter of the way there. For our chicken water setup in our tractors, I have a 5-gallon pail that I leave the cover on. I've drilled a hole and screwed in a barb. Then I got a piece of PVC pipe with some chicken water nipples in it. I'll link that video here and when me and Olivia made those last year. You guys can check that out. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. Think we can do it? I don't know, guys. Whoa. Let's see. We might have it. Look what I found. An egg. We better go get that thing. Oh man. We dropped it. Did it break? Yep. Chicken food. They'll appreciate it. The ducks blend in pretty good with their surroundings. Better make sure we plug this back in. There. Hear the little clicking? That means the Energizer's working. Let's check on the broody hen. I moved her down one box. She didn't need to be up so high. She got a little bit of food. Her own water. Good morning, Mom. She don't look too happy. You guys can't see her though. So today's Friday morning. This Sunday morning will be 14 days that she's been on that nest of eggs, the clutch. So hopefully, maybe next Sunday, the soonest, we'll have some chicks hatching from her. The meat birds are growing like crazy, guys. We'll go feed them right now, but they've almost doubled in size since I've shown them to you the other day. It's nuts. I mean, they're just eating outside of house and home almost. But then we'll get to eat them, so we can't complain too much. I think these guys have doubled in size since I showed them to you the other day. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera or not, but thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share it, it really helps. Leave some comments down below. And we'll see you right back here next time at Lumna Acres, a guide to modern homesteading, self-sufficiency, and freedom.